and he has played a crucial role in establishing many medical institutions. We celebrate this day in order to express and acknowledge our gratitude to the doctors who work tirelessly 24/7 in order to save lives. Give to their faith and dedication that they forget their families and serve the nation. The theme of National Doctor Day 2022 is Family Doctors on the Front Line. Indeed, the doctors are the real heroes who have led us to slowly recover from the pandemic. Hence, this Doctor's Day, let us all thank the doctors who have served us so effortlessly and selflessly. I am ending my speech with a very beautiful quote by Dr. Viren Chandra, that is, if we exert ourselves with determination, no obstacle, however formidable it may be, can stop our progress. Thank you.
Satya on the stage.
Good morning everyone, my name is Chandra Satya and I am from class 10K, and today I am here to give a speech on Doctor's Day. So first of all, I like to speak a very happy Doctor's Day to all the amazing doctors who play a very important role in the society. Doctors Day is celebrated every year on 1st of July to mark the birth and death anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. Doctor is a form of God who saves the life of human beings by their services. Doctors work round the clock without any leave, and on this day, many hospitals organize free medical camps and we celebrate this day every year with full of joy and with a new theme. So this year, 2022, the theme of Doctor's Day is Family Doctors on the Front Line. And I want to say one more thing of Doctor's Day, which is medicines can cure diseases, but a doctor can cure patients. So once again, I wish you all a very happy Doctor's Day. Thank you so much.
Today, I am Aditya Sharma. I am here to deliver a speech on Doctor's Day. In India, National Doctor Day was first observed on 1st July 1991 in honor of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy to pay tribute to his contribution in health domain. Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy was a personal physician of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great physician and the second Prime Minister of West Bengal. As we all know, human beings face numerous amount of problems, flaws in our life. We have doctors who assist us with our health, and doctors who assist us with our health. Doctors risk their life to protect us. And as we all have seen in the time of COVID, when no one was daring to come out of their houses, doctors were there to treat the people who were infected by COVID-19. Without making the speech that now, I want to thank all those doctors out there helping a person in need. Thank you.
To present our dance, I would like to call Sandy and group on the stage.
Thank you.
help you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Mayank Sharma. Good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Mayank Sharma. I am a doctor of orthopedics. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am a Dr. Om Hussain. I am a doctor of nervous system. I am a neurologist. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Mansi Adu and I am doctor of eye ophthalmologist. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. And now, last but not the least, I would like to go to Principal Sir to say some words. Sir, please.
So, the different performances and different speech you have heard, and this has definitely enhanced your knowledge about the Doctor's Day as well as the Rath Yatra, which Sanyal sir has explained you a lot. Sanyal sir तो यहाँ पर पूरी पुराण सुना सकते पर समय नहीं। रथ यात्रा और भगवान जगन्नाथ जी से जुड़ी इतनी कथाएं हैं कि वो अथाह, तो मैं अब उस पर अभी जाना नहीं चाहता। बहुत सारी बातें हैं, जैसे एक फैक्ट आप लोगों को पता होगा कि जगन्नाथ स्वामी के मंदिर में जो प्रतिमाएं हैं, बलराम जी की, बलभद्र के नाम से जानते हैं, सुभद्रा जी की और कृष्ण भगवान, जगन्नाथ भगवान, ये प्रतिमाएं सारी की सारी जहाँ लकड़ी की बनी हुई, पता है? और उसके लकड़ी के पीछे बने होने का भी एक खास रहस्य है। सन्याल सर आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से बताएंगे इस बात को, तो मैं थोड़ी देर बाद रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा सन्याल सर से वंस अगेन इस पर्टिकुलर बात को बताएं। और डॉक्टर्स डे से रिलेटेड, डॉक्टर्स डे की अहमियत पिछले 2 सालों में सभी के समझ में आ गई। What is the importance of doctors in the life? कोविड के कारण पूरा विश्व जो एक अनजान और अज्ञात महामारी, जिसके बारे में किसी को पता नहीं कि इसका क्या स्वरूप है, उसका क्या इलाज, किसी को नहीं मालूम, आज भी नहीं मालूम। We have developed certain things on the basis of certain symptoms, but still we do not know the actual cause and cure. So, and doctors, not only doctors, all the different health workers and sanitary workers, they have done a great service not only in India but all over the world to the humanity. ये इतनी डेंजरस बीमारी थी कि वो छूने से क्या, वो हवा में भी जो है स्प्रेड होती थी। तो वहाँ पर किसी भी किस्म का लापरवाही, किसी भी किस्म की लापरवाही जो है वो जानलेवा हो सकती थी और हुई है। अनेक घरों में हम लोग अपने near and dear we have lost. Number of doctors while performing their duties, they have lost their life. तो डॉक्टर्स डे का इम्पोर्टेंस जो है, it is not only to celebrate the birth date of Dr. Vidhan Chandra Roy. Dr. Vidhan Chandra Roy, he was a great physician of his time, and he was a versatile personality. He was in politics, he was the Chief Minister of West Bengal. He is responsible for the establishment of Bengal Chemicals, Kolkata. तो बहुत सारे contributions हैं उनके as a doctor, as a Chief Minister, as a politician. So डॉक्टर्स डे से रिलेटेड एक दो फैक्ट, जैसे अभी बच्चे यहाँ पर आए थे, there are different names for the doctors different specializations. So there are numerous specializations. The doctors is related, it is not related to the doctor's state, it is related to the medical field and medicine. हिंदुस्तान में सबसे पुरानी पद्धति मेडिसिन की कौन सी है बताओ? आयुर्वेद। आयुर्वेद के जनक किनको कहा जाता है? महर्षि चरक। और हिंदुस्तान में ऑपरेशंस, जिसको सर्जरी, शल्य चिकित्सा ये जो कहते हैं, वो भारत में बिफोर क्राइस्ट 600 BC दिस हैज बीन परफॉर्म। तो उसमें शल्य चिकित्सा के जनक वो भी भारत के ही ऋषि को माना जाता है, और पूरे विश्व में जो है वो इट इज एन एक्सेप्टेड फैक्ट। और वो पहले सर्जन जो थे, इट वॉज सुश्रुत, महर्षि सुश्रुत। तो he is supposed to be the first surgeon of the world who has given a proper detail of the different kinds of surgery. तो इस तरह से इंडिया का कंट्रीब्यूशन इन द फील्ड ऑफ मेडिसिन आल्सो इट वाज ग्रेट। बहुत सारी चीजें हमको पता नहीं रहती। आज की डेट में एलोपैथी, दैट इज अनदर सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन। तो एलोपैथी का इम्पोर्टेंस इसलिए बढ़ गया है कि इट प्रोवाइड्स अस इंस्टेंट रिलीफ, और सर्जरी, मॉडर्न सर्जरी दैट हैज हेल्प्ड अ लॉट। यानी कैंसर जैसी भयावह बीमारी जिसका कभी कोई इलाज नहीं हुआ करता था, उसका भी इनिशियल स्टेज में पता लग जाए तो इलाज संभव है आज की डेट। तो डॉक्टर्स डे, इट इज नॉट जस्ट टू सेलिब्रेट this Doctor's Day, but we have to follow certain things in our lives so which keeps our body and mind healthy. बहुत छोटी छोटी बातें हैं, जैसे हैंड वॉश, खाना खाने के पहले हैंड वॉश हो, नेल्स प्रॉपरली कट, टेकिंग बाथ एवरी डे, पुट ऑन द क्लीन क्लोथ्स। इन सबके पीछे जो है वो देयर आर सर्टेन साइंटिफिक फैक्ट्स which keeps our body healthy. Nails, if you don't cut, like different germs, bacteria and viruses, these are very, very, very small, you cannot see it. So inside the nails, they occupy the, what you can say, shelter. And when we eat food with the help of our hand, so it goes inside our body. So when our body is healthy and strong, when our body is healthy and strong, so that is capable to fight against all these germs. पर body अगर healthy और strong नहीं होती, तो healthy और strong कैसे होगी? When you take proper food. But nowadays, most of the young children, they have the habit of eating junk food. तो जो हम लोग की रूटीन लाइफ है, जो फूड हैबिट्स हैं, this has what you can say, this is responsible for a lot of different kinds of diseases even at the youngest age. आप लोगों के चेहरे पर जो ओज होना चाहिए, that ओज is missing, मुरझाया हुआ चेहरा रहता है। तो जब हम अपनी पूरी हैबिट्स, हेल्दी हैबिट्स रखेंगे, our body will remain healthy. तो there is a phrase in English, one apple a day keep the doctors away. तो one apple a day keeps the doctor away का मतलब ये है, it is not just only apple will keep the doctor away from you. It is the food habits and fruits, eating fruits. There is one more thing कि नेचर ने हमारे हर फूड में मेडिसिन छुपा के दे दिया है। हर फूड में There is not a single food which does not give us what you can say proper medicine. हमारे हर चीज में हर फूड है, पर हम चूंकि उस फूड को खाने के बजाय we are totally dependent on our taste of our tongue और जंक फूड का हम यूज करते हैं. सब मैगी खाते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट तो मैगी के जमाने के हो गए. So that does not serve the purpose. So these are very small things. Teachers also tell you a number of times, parents also tell you. But the problem is that you give the swad. That is the most dangerous thing. So keep healthy habits and remain healthy. That is the message of the doctor's day. ठीक है? Okay then, thank you.
Thank you.